Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to leave class or removing yourself from Google Classroom. So if you are unintended joining some class, then you don't want to join on that class, actually you can do these steps to remove yourself from that class. So I open my Google Classroom on the web version. Actually it's supposed to be similar method if you are using app in Android or iOS, and then you can find this triple dot on each single class that I joined. So for example, I want to leave this class for this contextual, what is it, contextual business, I think. And then this is the triple dot. I just click this triple dot, and then there is an option of unenroll. It means that you are want to leave this class, or you don't want to roll anymore on this class. So just click this one, and then later yourself will be removed from that class. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel, or you can just click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.